20 Minute Setswana Bonus Vocabulary Lesson 11. Okay, so in today's bonus vocabulary, we're going to add some phrases that have to do with time and date. Now, just learn these off by heart and don't worry too much about what each separate word means. So I'm going to say the phrase in English once, and then Mpho will repeat the phrase in Setswana twice. So, Mpho, how do I say, what is the date today?
Ke di kae gompieno. Ke di kae gompieno.
Alright, and how would I say, what day is it?
Ke la bokae gompieno. Ke la bokae gompieno.
And if I were to say, it's Monday?
Ke mosupologo. Ke mosupologo.
Okay, well that's easy. And what time is it?
Ke nako mang. Ke nako mang.
Alright, and how about it's late?
Nako e ile. Nako e ile.
And it's early?
Nako sa le teng. Nako sa le teng.
And how would I say it's time to go?
Ke nako ya go tsamaya. Ke nako ya go tsamaya.
Alright, and what about the question, what time are you going?
O tsamaya nako mang. O tsamaya nako mang.
Perfect. So, I hope this has been useful. Just learn these off by heart and we'll see you next week on 20 Minute Setswana.